Shadow work is a process of self-exploration. It's a journey to your own awareness, and it's going to involve integrating your unconscious part of yourself with your conscious part of yourself. It's going to help you understand and heal parts that we have repressed or denied or ignored before. And I'm going to give you a couple of really quick little techniques to get you started. Okay? So number one, cultivate self-awareness. So begin by developing a conscious understanding of your thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and pay attention to any triggers, because if it triggers you, it's a lesson that you need to learn. Number three, embrace non-judgment. Be nice to yourself. I tell people all the time, be your own best friend. Don't criticize or shame yourself. Just understand, accept yourself for all parts of you that make you you. Number three, journal. Regular journaling can be a really powerful tool, and write freely about your thoughts and feelings and experiences. Number four, internal dialogue. And I do this all the time. I talk to myself. So write it down if you need to. Visualize it. Have a conversation with yourself. Talk to yourself in your shadow. Visualize that shadow standing right there in order to understand yourself better. Number five is meditation and mindfulness. These techniques are going to help you to calm your emotions and thoughts down before you observe them without judgment, and allowing that unconscious part to come to the surface even. Another thing that you could do is get a supportive community around you. So connect with like-minded individuals like the ones right here in Your Tribe is Your Vibe. So hit that subscribe button and follow me for more on shadow work and more on being the best you that you can be.